situated. I'll call you afterwards, or maybe doing if you pick up, I'll let you see the some of the view. Okay. Love you.
Padre, muy fuerte usted. Auntie.
He called her auntie. There we go.
Okay, group, so the instructions are gonna be the next one. I'm gonna
About to leave out on the glass boat.
And I done took my stress gummies.
Pulling back.
OMG.
one cancel out, okay, and we don't want that. And that's the two only rules, but too important, okay? Thank you. Y en español es lo mismo, chicos. No se crean. Buenas tardes, bienvenidos a Emba Tour, bienvenidos a de playa, chicos. Right there, guys, you're going to see a canary fish, okay? The name is because the structure you see right there on the first tuna of Latin America. Right now it's an abandoned place and the people call this fish the turkey because they don't have restaurants or anything. So if you're from Latin, you can go right there, guys, okay? Also, the Pelican Rock is that one, the bigger one, right there. And this is a federal protect area. That means we cannot do fishing right here. If we try to do that, we must get a ticket about $2,000. So don't do it, guys. It's gonna be an expensive tank of fish, okay? But it's a good news because of that we have one of the most beautiful natural aquariums in the world, okay? So look at it, guys. The people come to this place to make a snorkel and diving, guys.
They're all here because you can't fish. So pretty. What's the yellowfin one called?
Okay, the yellowtail fishes is Dory from the movie of Nemo, okay? But the colors are different because this is the Mexican Dory, so we call him Dolores, okay?
Dolores.
Also, the correct name of the fish is a sturgeon fish, okay?
My auntie. Call that lady auntie.
Otro chico me lo avientan a la playa del divorcio, por favor. So right there, guys, we have the Lovers Beach, okay? The name is because in the other side we have the Divorce Beach, okay? Right now we are at the Sea of Cortez, and in the other
Lovers
side
Beach,
we have
right
the
here.
Pacific Ocean, okay?
On the other side is
Sea of
Divorce
Cortez,
Beach.
More chill, and
The
in
water
other
is
side,
smoother
there's
and
also
calmer.
the level of the tide you maybe go down, okay?
The other
So now,
side
if
you could
come
drown.
couple to the Lovers Beach and you couple see another girl and another boy, push him to the Divorce Beach, okay, guys? Y de este lado, chicos, van a poder ver el dedo de Neptuno. Este lugar se llama así porque Neptuno es la gente dice
finally
que
get to
parece
see
un
the
dragón
arch.
tomando agua o tomando tequila porque es mexicano, ¿ok?
Voy a meter más.
Wait a second. Just do make a point. Ahora sí.
So she at the arch.
Del lado de él.
She all good
La va a
now.
abrazar por detrás, ¿sí?
She was scared at first.
Yes, I was.
Ahora sí.
This boat is right. Just clear boat. You can see the fish at the bottom. But I'm out here in the middle of the Pacific Ocean.
Allá está el lobo del mar. I see the arch. Yeah.
Oh my God.
We rocking. We rocking. We rocking.
Listo. The first one to draw up and needs to stay to. Let me take a picture of you right here in the ahí tales como Madonna, Will Smith, Leonardo DiCaprio, Britney Spears, entre muchos otros. Probablemente ahora ustedes se pregunten cuál de todas esas es mía. La mía está ahí encima de Playa La Empacadora. Cuando gusten pueden ir a visitarme ahí, chicos, ¿ok? So in front of us, guys, you're going to see the
seal. Hold on. How did you like your clear boat tour?
Actually, I liked it. I was a little scared at first, but it was good. It was a good tour.
La Lupita. About to bring me a horchata. I've been looking for one too, all since I've been here. Yeah, and they famous for their tacos.
That's his horchata. He's looking for a horchata.
Got my horchata in Mexico. Los Cabo. Taste it. Tastes all right. We got some different kind of sauces. Got our limes. Here go the menu.
I want one of these little corn beans.
Get what you want, baby. I'm buying.
Oh, shit, let me go to the website. Get you a steak, make that beef. I'm gonna do so less and more. Okay, and then what's this one here? Bean and
Habanero. That's peanuts, sesame seeds, and
okay.
We got
From less to more spicy.
all right, and this is from the chef.
Compliments of the chef.
Compliments of the chef.
I know you don't like it because it tastes like seafood.
I'm gonna drink it. There we go. Right here. I got a shell in my mouth. There go napkin.
guacamole and chips.
Yes. It's time to eat. Oh yeah. Action. Tastes good. Thumbs up.
So far, so good. He has, that's the ribeye one.
That is the ribeye.
Okay.
That is the shrimp and the lamb.
Okay, the lamb. That's what he said. I wanted too spicy.
Look at what our bill came in. Y'all know what that is?
Oh, God.
Y'all gotta know what this is.
Oh, my goodness.
And if you don't know, I'll let you find it out in Mexican. So, if you didn't know, I'll let you know. Voila. That's what I build. That's in pesos. Okay, close it. Finito. Finito. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. We leaving. How was the meal? Hold on, babe. Wait. How was the meal?
It was great.
Yeah. All right.
We almost got hit by a car over here.
Yeah,
in Mexico.
she almost got hit by a car in Mexico.
Just getting back from our boat cruise. On our way in for a little siesta. Aw, what's this?
Oh, the maid must have left this.
Nuri. For gratuity. Okay, Nuri.
Left us a Los Cabo magazine. She picked my shoes
Yeah,
up.
she did, because it was on the ground. Oh, how cute is this?
Oh, that's pretty. That's
How
nice.
cute is this?
Look at that. Look at that. She very creative.
Yes, she is.
Look at my honey bae. Chilling in her villa. Relaxing and stuff. Looking all beautiful and stuff. The Mexican Centerita.
Look at Senora over there. Reading that Los Cabos magazine. Anything interesting in there?
Yeah, another trip back to Mexico. Yeah, that's cool. There's some interesting stuff in here.
We had a busy day today. Adventurous day today. Now relaxing until hot tub time.
Yes. Peace. Get back to reading some more Los Cabo, because we will be back. Check out my bay at the Monte Cristo Estate. You quit that laughing all the time. How you say it? Monte Cristo Estate. My bae right there. She's still laughing, ain't she, y'all? Bring your butt over here. Look at that little sunset on my camera. She behind me. Look at us. Look at her. Look at my bae. It's her last day. And she got to go.